Okay everyone, welcome here. Let's try to create this thing, this slide. Let's see how it looks. We see it look amazing. Let's try to create it. At first we need to add 5 triangles. Okay, you see the hint. The amazing thing about this slide, I'm going to tell you what is so amazing about this slide. At first we need to create a blank space and add the triangles here. 1, okay, 2, okay, 3, okay, 4, okay. But I want to make it clear. Now we select all of them and group them and then align them center, middle, okay, and ungroup them. The important thing about this slide is that we need to make the outline none, and then we just need to change them colors. Let's change them colors, and we create another circle, put them up. Let's select all of them and format object. Let's change them color. At first I'm going to put this on purple and here on green, blue. I think a little what color should it? It's good. It's good. We two things are in the same color. Let's go with yellow. And then select all of them and set the transparency lower. It's too low. Let's make them a little more. Okay. Now we need to move this shape up. Set the transparency to 100 and make a red color. Then we just simply copy the text and paste it here, increase it in size. But the magic is that we write this text in a white color. We just copy them and paste them here. We don't do anything about the text. We just copy and paste them. Let me just make them more neat. Okay, they are good now. But the important thing is that you say how the trick is going to done. Let me just copy that. Okay, let me just bring it to front, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the magic. How? Select all of them and then select all the circles and then align them center, middle, then put them here in the middle. Now we put it up and we are going to send the text size to 1 and the shape. Okay, let me reduce it in size, reduce it in size. Let me just change it. Okay, it's good. And send it to back. Now let's send the transition to morph to see the magic. Let's look at it. If you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will answer you. Have a nice time.